Okay, so back in the airing cupboard again. I've realised that the solenoid valve that I've been using mainly for experimental purposes, this one here, isn't actually rated for the sort of temperatures that I'm giving it here. I think it's rated up to 40 degrees C, which is pretty good, but this can get up to 50, so I'm sure it would last for years, but on the other hand, better to replace it with one that's actually rated at those sort of temperatures and above. So, having sat on eBay for a while, this came up, which is it's a really good quality Albion um, solenoid valve. I mean, it's like 3 times as heavy as this one for a start. Very solidly made. It's got a good quality solenoid on the top, which is removable, and a proper connection. This is actually a plug. There's a screw in the end, but taking that screw out, this comes out as a plug, so you can remove the valve and put in a new one, I guess. Anyway, so I put in a proper cable. It's earthed this time as well, unlike this one. So yeah, this thing's better all around, I think, and it is rated for over 100 degrees C, so that should be plenty enough. Okay, so just a question now. I think of turning off the isolation valves either side of the pump. Got a big towel to catch the water, so that one is off. This one is off as well. Yep. So let's just whip this off. Should only take a few minutes. Yeah, a bit of water from the pipe, but nothing serious. So the mains is off, so I'm not too worried about touching these wires. So that's the old one, which again was off eBay, but it's a very cheapish Chinese one, but it proved the point. It proves that this setup works in principle. So I'll just swap in the better one. With this being so heavy, I've actually made a little stand for it. So it's just a bit of drain pipe, but that will sit in there and support it. So just take the weight of the valve and take the load off this pump. That's the plan. Anyway, if I've got the height right, it's not far off. Once I've got it set up, I'll probably put a disc, screw a disc to the floor, and just drop the drain pipe onto the top. Keep it nice and simple and easily moved. Right, so this is marked. It's got an inside, this end, out the other end, obviously. There's a washer in there. Put my stand underneath. Yeah, looks good. And the outlet. Let's just check that washer is still intact, which it is. Don't need to do these up very tight, just enough to nip the rubber. Isolation valves back on. One that side and one this side. This is a water alarm, which if you just dampen these contacts, it sounds. So I leave that just on the floor here on top of a piece of tissue, just so that if there's any damp in the area, it should get soaked up by the tissue and set the alarm off. So I should leave that there. So on the display here, the top temperature currently showing 62. The set point is 62, so if everything's working, that should drop. Good, that's definitely a much more robust valve, and it's good to have it properly supported. Or it will be properly supported once I fix this to the floor. But yeah, good. Thanks for watching.